Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, in this episode, we are going to be making an HTML website. Not completely, but we are going to learn something. So it's going to be cool. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do right off the bat is open replit.com and just create an account. I have already created. I don't know. So create. So after you have created it, just click on see all reps and then click on, let's say, just create a new folder to keep it organized. Tutorials. Let's try making a new REPL, and you'll select HTML, CSS and JS, and if you can't find it, just search it HTML and you got it. Now just give it a name. Okay, yeah guys, so if you will create a new REPL, you will just see this. Just minimize all of that. Let's give ourselves some real estate. Now, first of all, let's just delete some extra stuff like here. Let's leave it for now. So I'm going to be explaining you everything what it does. So so we have the first line called doctype equal to HTML. So what this line does, it tells the computer this file, this specific file is an HTML file, not a random text file, and you have to load it with the HTML encoder. Okay, because HTML you don't need any like specific software. And now we have the HTML tag which starts and ends here. So so everything that is displayed in the HTML page is always inside HTML tags. And I'm going to be also explaining you head. So let me just give you an example. So what do you mean? So what we mean by head is, let's say like, let's say my website is what not this long. So header will basically be, let's say, starting 20% of it. This will be header. Let's say blue is header and red is body. So this is the head and this is the body. I call it that. So in the head we have all of this, which I don't really think you need to know. And now we have the title. So this is basically the title, what your website's name should be displayed like. Here I have index. Here I have like home replit. So like that. And the next thing we have here is style.css. So we don't really need this, but I'm still keeping it because we'll need it in the next video, I guess. But this basically leads us to our cascade file. Okay. And the next thing we have here is the body. So as I told you, body is the main part of the website, and everything that is contained in the body is mainly displayed. Right now we have not written anything in head, so it's not visible. So right now we have written hello world. Whatever we will type will come. Let's call it hi guys. Is this is my first website. Even though it's not for me. Let's run it. So what I'll give you is just a micro challenge. Like it's just a small challenge. Try writing a small poem here. Like just something about you. Hi, my name is Krishna. I love coding. Now let's and also one good feature about Replit is you can just preview it here you can see. But hey, there's a problem. We told the computer to write it in separate lines. Hi guys, this is my first website. Line end. Hi guys, my name is Krishna. Line end. I love coding. But the computer wrote it all in one line. So how do we fix this? Well, we fix this using tags. So what are tags? Tags are basically components which we are using to tell the computer, what to do. Let's say we are telling the computer write heading. So there will be a tag for it for writing heading. And in HTML, a tag for writing and heading, or normally for starter text, is H1. Is basically H. So let me show you. So I'll go here and I will put double angular brackets on both of these sides. Okay, and I'll put H1. Here I will put backslash and it automatically enters it for us. Let's go to our page and refresh. So as you can see, it automatically sent everything down because we are telling it to write it as in heading. So this is what we actually mean. See, before whatever we were writing, the computer thought it was to be in a normal text. Okay, but now when we told the computer that it should be in an H1 tag, so it became bigger. Okay, so it became bigger. So that's how it works. But the types of there are some types of H1 tags too. Let me just repeat the form. So we have H1, H2, H3, H H4 and H5 and also H6. So these H stand for heading, uh, and the number stands for how big they are. So H1 in our case is the biggest. Okay, and let's try putting this text as H2, and you you'll automatically see the difference. And one another great thing about HTML is that it is not so it is a bit flexible compared to other high level programming languages. But yeah, again every language comes with its own drawbacks. So yeah, but still HTML is a good language to start with. So if I'll go here and refresh it, you can see it became smaller. H2 is way smaller. H3 is even smaller. Okay, let me try spamming the same message, I love coding some more times, and let's put H4. If you want to do this, you can do, but I don't really recommend doing this. This is just for showing you what it looks like. I mean, 4. Okay, yeah. Now let's refresh it. Oh, yeah. From this big, this is the biggest one, H1 to H6. Now I'll tell you where to use this. So H1 should be mainly used for headings, and let's say H3 or H4 you can use it for subtopics. And like I don't really recommend using H6. It's basically useless when the next component comes in. But another new component that I'm going to teach you is the horizontal ruler. So it is basically creates an line, let's say of a light gray color. It creates a line after some text. So let's try it. We have HR, and let's try refreshing it. So you can see we have a long gray line stretching. So what this HR is used is for dividing sections. Okay, you got it. And the next thing we are going to be exploring is paragraphs. I mean, so what? So paragraphs is pretty much self-explanatory. We all know it. And the tag for paragraph is P. There is no variation of. Sadly, there is no variation of paragraph. But you can just type in hi, I am a para. Okay, let's go here and reload it. You, you can see it. It is written hi, I am a para. And why I am using para instead of H is because the the paragraph, or let's say P gives you like the right size for writing font and all of that. which is kind of hard to scale with H1, H2, and we'll keep doing it. So that's why I recommend using paras. And horizontal rulers, yeah, they can be extended a lot. So yeah, guys, this is it for the first video. I guess yeah, it was not too long, just 10 minutes long. So I'm going to doing a bit of discussion here. Just don't leave the video right here. So the first thing I want to tell you is like, you know, is because is if you have any doubts, you can just comment it. You can just comment it down. I'll check it whenever I upload the next video. Comment. You just have to comment it and I'll check it for you. And the next thing is, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, or as you like, you can like and and subscribe. I mean, I'm not forcing you; it's completely free. So I guess you might want to, you might not want to, and yeah. So in the next video, we are going to be starting with the HTML adding I mean the adding formatting to a text and all of those things. So it will make your text look way more beautiful, and we are going to be starting with some more advanced things. So guys, please stay tuned for the next episode. So guys, bye.